Yep, that looks good. I can see the barrier is in place. I'm happy with that. It's bank holiday, so it's time to get a few tasks done. This is my car and I love it because it's a 90s Mercedes and I love the vibe it gives off while you're driving it. Now, I've noticed it's starting to get a little bit rusty in places, like here, but now it's time to sort that out. I need to get some protection on this so it doesn't get worse. I don't want a failed MOT or expensive repairs. I've got this Lanoguard and I'm going to give it a try. I've seen tons of 5-star reviews online. Okay, so I've done the prep, just a little jet wash, and I've removed any crusty bits using a wire brush. So far it's been really easy. All I've had to do was jet wash underneath of the car, scrape any loose bits of rust off, and now with this spray gun, the application is going to be super easy. I mean, look at this. So I must say that went on really easily, and now all I've got to do is leave it to cure. Right, so it's a week later and I'm now going to check in to see if the Lanoguard is already working. So I've just had a look and I've got to say I'm really impressed. I can see that barrier is in place and protecting the car I love. So I 100% recommend.